Why are people flirting in the comment sections of my videos? Like a girl commented on my video and this guy must have thought that she was cute from her profile picture. So he replied to her and said, "You're cute." And the girl responds back and says, "Thanks." And then he says, "Can I get your number?" And she says, "DM me." Like, get that off my page, man. I was so upset that other people are finding love on my videos, but I can't even do it. So I just deleted the video. So from now on, if anyone flirts with someone in my comment section, you're blocked. You're blocked. Petty doesn't even begin to describe where I'm at now. I can't take it anymore!